Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Walmart haul for you. First, let's talk about this time and true tweed zip jacket. So cute. It's got black, brown, tan, super cute colors. These pockets do snap and function. Full zip up, the sleeves snap, and there's some gathers, so they're good for pushing up. Collar, you could try to flip up if you wanted to. It's got this nice band around the bottom. You can see the construction. It's well made by Time and True. I'm wearing a size large. It fit great. I think this would be easy to style with jeans, trousers. I have a pair of no boundaries, low profile, neutral sneakers that I wore with a number of outfits. Comfortable, easy to style, a go-to, easy throw-on, comfy shoe. I ordered these Time and True woven ballet flats. I was so excited because these are so cute, but they sent me the wrong size. Nice low heel, memory foam inside. This is nice and soft and pliable. They have several colors. I'm hopeful that I can order the correct size, but very, very cute. I could see this going with a lot of things. Joyspun pajamas. I love Joyspun pajamas. They're so soft. They're comfortable. They're cooling yet warm. They always have pockets. They've got nice trim on the shorts, nice elastic waist, vibrant colors, nice trim on the collar, sleeve, and the pockets. Button down, quality, comfy pajamas at a great price. Next up, free assembly, women's single-breasted denim blazer. This was cute. I styled it several ways. The denim is a little stretchy, so it's nice and comfortable and gives. The pockets are sewn shut, but you're able to pull them out like a typical blazer. That's what the inside looks like. Nice button. It's got some structure, yet still comfortable. The stitching is that tan stitching with the darker denim. This is a great item. I'm wearing a size large. You could wear this with trousers, with jeans. Very versatile. Next up, the Time and True women's quilted cotton jacket. Now the exterior is 100% cotton. The interior is 100% polyester. And this is substantial. It's not super thick where it adds a lot of bulk, but nor is it cheap and flimsy. This is a nice quality piece. It's got this nice quilting throughout. Nice gold buttons. Usable pockets. Decorative pockets on the top, but usable pockets on the bottom. This is what the inside looks like. Nice, substantial, thick, but again, not adding extra bulk. It's a little shorter than I would prefer, but nice. The outside is 100% cotton, which I said, but it's like I want to say like a twill pant. The exact term I'm looking for is escaping me at the moment, but let me give you a, you can see, there you go. This sweater, so soft. It's nice and thin. The arms were long enough. I am 5'6". I carry all my height in my legs. I have long arms, and I struggle with things being long enough. This is the no boundaries. I have it in a size large, and I ordered this specifically to wear with leggings, hoping it would be long enough, which it was, to cover my bum. Cute, easy, go-to. Another Avia product, the Avia Slant Cargo Jogger. These are in a size medium. They've got those nice cargo pockets, usable cargo pockets on the side. Elastic at the bottom. Drawstring waist. There's this little hook on the back. I'm not quite sure what that's for, but these are those thin, like windbreaker material. There's no lining, so these will be great late spring when it's starting to warm up. But I would imagine they would be quite cold right now unless you are a hot-natured person. They have pockets, regular pockets besides the cargo pockets. Next, the Time and True Women's Fleece Sweatshirt with short sleeves. I got this in a size large, and you can see how oversized it is. Beautiful color, nice and soft, nice length, a nice go-to. Just keep in mind, you might want to size down. Next, the Free Assembly Women's Cozy Yarn Cable Knit Hoodie Sweater. I got this in a medium, and it fit great. This type of material just kind of clings, I feel, to all of the things that I don't want things to cling to. So, super cute. I love the hoodie part of it. I love the idea of it. It's just not for me. It's super soft. The sleeves, I think, were a little short, but that's an easy fix. I just push things up, and nice length. I think of myself as short-waisted, but nice sweater if you're interested. Next, the Time and True Women's Mock Neck Poncho. I got this in the small medium, and I feel like it's plenty large. This is an easy throw on when you're looking to dress something up a little bit, or just give a little bit of coverage to your arms. This can be a great go-to for that. Next, the Free Assembly Women's Collared bubble jacket with long sleeves. I don't really see much of a bubble effect, which I'm fine with. I wasn't really interested in the bubble. This was super cute. I love this. Plan on using this a lot. It's perfect spring weight. It's lined. It's got nice pockets. The length hits perfect. You've got the cords to help draw it in if you need it drawn in. Nice collar. I also ordered for my house these beautiful Better Homes and Gardens 100% cotton kitchen towels. Sometimes you just need some new kitchen towels. And if you're in the market, check out what Walmart has. Thanks for joining me today. And I can't wait to see you in the next one.